We'll continue question number 2. We have to make a pictograph and represent the information that's given over here. So we have over here 2 columns, men, women, children, okay, in one column, and the number of men, women and children in the other column. Okay, so let us see how many men are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 men. Okay, so 13 multiply by, now each symbol represents 500 men. So 13 multiply by 500, that becomes 15. 1 carry, fans of 5, 6, 6,500. And there are only 6,500 men. Now, nextly, women, 4,500 women. So we'll start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 symbol multiply by each symbol representing 500. So 5 nines are 45, 0, 0. Now 4,500. Okay. Now let us see for children. How many children are there? 1,500. Now 1, 2, 3. So 3 multiply by 500, that is equals to 1,500, and 1,500 children are present in that village. Okay. Now let us see next question. The number of various types of vehicles running in a day on the roads of Meerut city is shown below. Now convey the above information through a pictograph. With the help of a pictograph, we have to display the information. So first column with the vehicles and the next column for the symbols. Now each symbol represent 100 vehicles. Each symbol represent 100 vehicles for all cycles, scooters, cars and buses. So let us see. Let us count the number of symbols of our cycles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Each symbol represents 100 vehicles. 8 multiplied by 100, it becomes 800. And here we can see 800 cycles are only there. That means 8 symbols are correct. Now let us see for scooters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 multiplied by 100 will become 500. So 500 scooters. Now cars are how many? 1, 2 and 3. Each representing 100 vehicles. So 100, 200 and 300. So 300 vehicles. Then buses. Only 2 symbols means 100 multiplied by 2, 200. Or 100 plus 100, 200. Let us see next question. The following pictograph shows the number of students using various modes of transportation for going to their school. Now, we can see over here. So, the pictograph is given over here, and on the basis of pictograph, we have to answer the following questions. Question number 1. How many students go to school on foot? So, how many students go to school by walking? So, let us see, let us count the number of symbols. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, each represents 100 students. So, 4 multiplied by 100 will become 400 students. How many students use school bus? So here there is only one symbol, means 1 multiplied by 100, that will be 100 students go by school bus. Next, how many students use bicycle to go to their school? So bicycles 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 multiplied by 100, that is equals to 500 students. How many students in all are there in the school? So we have to write down the total number of students that go to the school. So let us count the all of the symbols and multiply by 100. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 multiplied by 100. This will become 1100. So 1100 students are in the school. What mode is adopted by maximum number of students? Okay, so the maximum, the more is the number of symbol, that the more the students go by that, by that mode of transport. So here I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 symbols. Okay, so that is the highest number. Okay, for students, they go on bicycle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 multiplied by 100, that becomes 500. And the mode of adopted by the maximum number of students is bicycle. So by bicycle they go. Let us see next question. There are 1350 persons living in a colony of Delhi. The number of persons knowing various languages is given below, and we have to draw a pictograph which conveys the given information. So what we will do is, we will make 2 columns, one for Hindi, Tamil, Bengali, Malayalam, that is the languages, and the number of people who know such languages. So here we have Hindi, Tamil, Bengali, Malayalam, and the symbols, where the scale is given, that is each symbol represent 50 people. Okay, the symbol is given over here: triangle, square, circle, and star. Okay, each of the symbol represent 50 people. Now for Hindi, triangle; for Tamil, square; Bengali, circle; Malayalam is a star. Now for Hindi, let us see. I'll start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And each symbol represent 50 people. So 10 multiplied by 50 becomes 500. And over here I can see that 500 people speak Hindi language. For Tamil, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 multiplied by 50, as each symbol represents 50 people. 5 9s are 45 and 9 zeros are 0. Okay. Now Bengali, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 multiplied by 50, 5 5s are 25 and 0. We can cross check our answers here. 450 for Tamil and Bengali 250. Malayalam, let us see. 3 multiplied by 50, 5 3s are 15 and 0, 150. Okay, so in this manner we have solved this exercise, children. I hope you have understood it.